Jesus said, "Be thou perfect as your heavenly Father is perfect." Do you think he made a mistake by saying that? He wasn't serious, was he? What does he mean? Each one of us is an expression of God. One of us is like a wave in the ocean. The wave is an expression of that which the ocean is. It's made out of the essential same ingredients as the ocean. And you and I are waves in the ocean of spirit, in the ocean of the Father-Mother presence. That's what we are. And to be perfect is to more and more realize that we are that wave in the ocean of spirit, to express it more and more and more, to have it expressed more fully through us as love, as joy, as peace, as power, as wisdom, as creativity, in all the glorious ways that God is. That's what we are.